Hey guys, today we're going to unbox this 70mai Dash Cam Pro Plus Dash Cam. Yep, and it's actually this model is called A500S as well, or you can call it the same way. Yeah, this is with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, but there's no 4K recording. And then we're going to open it up. So this is the film for installing on your windscreen. This dash cam is built in with the ADAS system as well, so actually it's pretty safe. Yeah, we have the tools for you to install the dash cam on the car. Now this is the cable. So let's have a look. So we're going to power up this dash cam and let's have a look at the user interface. Yeah guys, before I power up this dash cam, just to let you guys know that you should use high endurance SD card such as this to put into your dash cam. That way your memory card will last longer. So let's power it up. Okay guys, you can download the app to link it to your phone. That way you can control the dash cam on your phone as well. But we are going to skip it for today.
Please insert SD card.
Okay, so we turn into the settings menu. As you can see, we have video settings, system settings, format memory card, factory reset. Yeah, you can download the app. System update. About, yeah, we should go into video settings. Yeah, you can set emergency video on high sensitivity, so that way when you have an accident or the camera shakes, it will automatically record itself. Yeah, and the surveillance. Yeah, no, we don't have the cable. Record duration. Yeah, you can set it as well. Video storage. Video resolutions. Refresh rate. WDR. And speed, latitude and longitude. And go into the system settings. We have Wi-Fi hotspot, power on Wi-Fi settings, audio recording, yes, ADAS, screensaver timeout off time, the speaker volume, auto off and stop, yeah, system time, system language, date format, driving duration alert. Yeah, and that's about it. So in my next video, I'm going to show you the video samples of this dash cam. See you!